Oh my God, these lenses right here from AnmaBeauty, it's like insane how natural they are. Oh my God, like these are insanely natural.
Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review from the company AnmaBeauty. They are very kindly sponsoring this video, and they sent me 6 pairs of lenses to review for you all, and I cannot wait for you to see them. So the colors are Pola Blue, Fireworks Green, Sweet Wine Brown, Icy Beer Brown, Chestnut Milk Brown, and Better Bulb Brown. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy.
All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Say. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same, guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Say. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Say.
Alright, so let me know in the comment section down below which ones were your favorite and why. Of course, I'm gonna let you know a little bit about AnmaBeauty, let you know which ones were my favorite and why, and show you up close shots as I usually do. So I have worked with AnmaBeauty previously. It was a very, very successful collaboration the first time around, and I'm super thankful to you all. You all use my coupon code over 100 times because you like the lenses that I originally showed when I worked with them. I am going to put the previous video up above in the cards right here, as well as in the description box down below, so you all can check out that first video that I did in collaboration with them. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about them. AnmaBeauty is a color contact lens company. They are a newer color contact lens company. They have so many different lenses, as you can see from their website, so many different collections, so many different colors, so many different finishes, and I absolutely love their lenses. I especially love the ones that I reviewed today. I'm gonna tell you which ones I love the most and tell you a little bit about why some of them were very unique. But first, here is my coupon code. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here, and I will link everything in the description box down below. So if you are interested in any of these lenses or any other lenses that are on their website, you can definitely check them out and save some money. So who doesn't like that? Now, let's get into the ones that I love the most and which ones I didn't like so much, and tell you a little bit about why and show you the up-close shots. So for the ones that I love the most, it was two of them. I love the Icy Beer Brown, the Fireworks Green, as well as the Better Bulb Brown. So first, the Pola Blue, those are yearly lenses. The Fireworks Green, those are also yearly lenses. The Sweet Wine Brown, those are monthly lenses. The Icy Beer Brown, those are monthly. The Chestnut Milk Brown are also monthly. And the Better Bulb Brown, those are daily. And those come with a pack of 10 lenses inside of the box. I also got cases for all of the lenses, so that was very nice of AnmaBeauty to send me a lot of cases because I'm trying out these lenses, so that was nice as well. And now let me tell you about the ones that I love the most. The ones that I love the most were the Fireworks Green, which is the ones that I'm wearing here, the Icy Beer Brown, and the Better Bulb Brown. Now with the Icy Beer Brown, what was unique about them is that they had stardust sparkles on the lens itself. So what that does, it gives the lenses an extra pinch of shine. So your eyes, as you can see from the shots I took right here, the natural lighting shots, which I did for all of the lenses since I had so many to go through, they look so pretty. It gives like that extra wide awake look, and I feel like with makeup on, it looks so pretty. I absolutely love that look. I think it makes the eyes look more brighter, more wide awake, and I absolutely love that finish. They should do more of that because I think it makes them look so much more natural looking and beautiful. Of course, you don't feel them on the lenses, like it's just a little bit of extra sparkle to the lenses, so you don't feel it or anything. They're very comfortable. All of the lenses were comfortable, and I did not even feel them really when I put them in. The color brown is a nice, like, medium type of brown. Not too light, not too dark. So if you already have light brown eyes, I feel like this will help to enhance your eyes, if you know what I mean. But if you have dark eyes, maybe these lenses won't be the ones for you. I feel like if you have dark eyes, the Better Bulb Brown ones might be, if you want more of a natural look and just enhance your eyes a bit, those ones might be better for you. I will note that you should soak your lenses about 6 to 8 hours prior to putting them in. So once I got all the lenses, I cleaned the cases, put my lenses in the cases, and soaked them for about 6 to 8 hours prior to doing this review. So make sure you always do that with your lenses. But back to the lenses, I love the Fireworks Green because I love the shade of green. It's like kind of natural but kind of bold at the same time and opaque. It's a pretty nice green color. It has a lime green tint to it as well as a dark green, and I think it's super pretty. It's very bold though, I will say. It's a little bold, and I think it's because I have light brown eyes naturally, so that makes the lenses look a little bit more bolder than I guess you would say usual. But I do love the color. I think the color is very pretty and natural looking, especially in natural lighting. With artificial lighting, I feel like you could see more of the tone of green and they won't look as natural, but I do think they could pass for some natural lenses. And now for the Better Bulb Brown. The Better Bulb Brown has this pretty finish to it that I love. It's like a nice, pretty light brown latte hazel type of color, and I absolutely love that color. I couldn't even tell that I had these lenses on when I put them in. They enhanced my eyes so nicely, and I absolutely love that. And they are like very subtle and natural looking, but they still make a statement. Do you know what I mean? Like, people will tell you, oh, your eyes look so beautiful. Like, they'll tell you that when you wear these lenses, and that's what I love the most about them. Now, with the sweet wine brown as well as the chestnut milk brown, the chestnut milk brown also has those stardust sparkles on the lenses, but those were a little bit more toned down for me. That as well as the sweet wine brown, those two colors were very toned down and muted for me, so I didn't like them too much. But I do think there are people out there, I know I got a comment once on a previous video where someone mentioned, aren't there lenses like if you want brown eyes or light brown eyes and you have green eyes naturally? So I think these color brown lenses will definitely look good on you. That's why I was super excited to try more of the brown colors from AnmaBeauty, so that you could kind of see the different colors, different shades of brown, and see which one works better for you. The sweet wine brown and the chestnut milk brown are a little bit on the darker side for me, so I didn't like them as much personally, but I'm sure there are some of you out there who will love these lenses because that will be the exact finish that you want. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below which ones you like the most and why. Now onto the ones that I didn't really like too much. The Pola Blue wasn't really my favorite. It wasn't my favorite because it's too opaque, and the color blue is just like more like a frosty blue, and it's just not really my favorite, but it might be for someone out there. They're not natural looking. They're very opaque and bright and bold, so that's not really what I like, but there is someone out there who might like those lenses, and I was interested in trying that shade of blue, so that's why when I was going back and forth and figuring out on the website which blue to get, that's why I got that blue. So even though it's not my favorite, I'm sure it will probably work for somebody. So let me know what you think. Do you like this shade of blue? Do you like these lenses? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I had such a fun time working with you, AnmaBeauty. Again, I absolutely love these lenses that you've sent me. Your lenses are so amazing. They are just like Color CL lenses, I would say. They have some of the same finishes as my favorite lenses from Color CL, so I absolutely love that. So AnmaBeauty, thank you so much. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week, so make sure you're on the lookout for my videos, and I will check you all out very soon. Thank you all so much for watching, and bye!